How to lock WhatsApp in laptop with PIN. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily lock your WhatsApp in laptop with PIN. So first thing first, just open up any of your favorite browser and make sure you are currently logged into your WhatsApp web. So once you head over to web.whatsapp.com, just make sure to fill out your login credentials and you shall see this interface where you will be logged into your account. Now all you have to do is just tap on this settings icon at the left section, and once you tap on it you can simply click on this privacy option over here, and once you click on privacy simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is app lock. So it will require a password to unlock WhatsApp web, so just tap on this and simply enable it. So once you enable it you need to set the device password, so I will simply set my device password over here, and then I will simply click on OK just like this. And you can now set out about how much at what time you want your WhatsApp app to be locked. So let's say I want it to be locked after 1 minute of inactivity. So when enabled, you will need to enter your password to unlock WhatsApp web. Notifications will not appear when your app is locked, so app lock will be turned off when you log out. So after 1 minute, you can just reopen this WhatsApp web, and in that case, you need to re-enter your password, which you just entered over here, to actually open the WhatsApp just like this from over here. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.